Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create YouTube banner design in Photoshop. First of all, open Photoshop, then click new file and also set size 2560 by 1440. Then add background image, press Ctrl plus T to resize the text. Then add color overlays using shapes, also lower the opacity. Then add channel name text, make text bold, align text in center, add tagline below. Now check safe area guides, move text inside safe zone, zoom out to preview